Well, the cake is done. So I'm going to show it to you and we'll get it frosted. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I did make a homemade, as you saw, chocolate mayonnaise espresso cake. Now, I added espresso to it because if you add coffee or espresso, it brings the enrichment flavor out of the cacao, which is chocolate. Brings it out better. It really enriches it. You also notice I did not use eggs because there are eggs in the mayonnaise. So the cake is done. I also cook with parchment paper, so my cleanup is minimal to none. So let's get this frosted. Plate, let's do this. And just get it frosted. Look how beautiful that comes off. Isn't that nice? Easy cleanup. I think I'll use this knife in the back of it to frost with. Let's get this frosted. Now I would use my spatula, but it's in the dishwasher. So we'll use the back of this knife. And the frosting, of course, is homemade frosting, as you saw me make, with sour cream. Now I often use a Philadelphia cream cheese, and I also like to use sour cream from time to time. You can make your frosting any way you like, and I invite you to be inventive. Take flavors that you like and put them in your cakes. Take flavors you like, make it in your frosting. Why? Because I always say, you do you, boo. No apologies. And that's my whole facet of life. I don't apologize for anything I do, because everything I do with intention. So I don't have any apologies. And there we go. Isn't that nice? All right, let's cut that open so you can see what it looks like. Cut it open again and get it on the plate. Look how nice and thick that is. Isn't that beautiful? And moist. That is such a wonderful taste. All right, we're gonna go have coffee and cake. I thank you for coming along. Try this recipe yourself. So easy to make from scratch. Stop buying those box mixes. Scratch is so much better. You know what's going in it. You can flavor it up and make it pop any way you choose. And there's no artificial chemicals. So until next time, take care, be kind, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.